Here's a Rubik's Cube, invented by Mr. Rubik. It's for Dr. Larshell's Robotics and Automations class. Task was to interface an arc welding robot with Rubik's Cube solution software and get it done, which we did. Basically, it's a mimic the human operation. There's a dynamic hand here, a rather static hand here, and this is what we call the fixture and the gripper. We interface it with software, which automatically takes photos of the color configuration, generates a string of about 20 moves, which we converted into robot moves, spits it out. This cube, after I mix it up, it'll solve it. So here goes. Software is asking us to position the cube into each of the 6 possible faces that we need to scan. The software is programmed to take an average of the majority of the surface of each face of each color. Back in the original configuration. Cube Explorer generates a solution based on a pre-existing algorithm and developed in the 1980s. Spits out a string of about 20 moves. 3 moves for each of the 6 faces, clockwise, counterclockwise, and 180. 18 possible moves were programmed into the robot. A combination of those will put the cube back into its original orientation. So folks, there you have it. A solved Rubik's Cube going into random configuration, back to square one.